Hello, beautiful ladies and nice gentlemen. Here we are for another typical Italian recipe. This is a contorno. You know that for us, contorno is generally a vegetable dish that accompanies the second dish, the main course. Okay, this is a southern Italy contorno. It is made with zucchini and is zucchini alla scapece. They are basically fried zucchini with the flavor of mint. The ingredients are very basic. I already said you zucchini, a little of salt, vinegar. I have red vinegar, my homemade red vinegar, and mint. And I have mint from my terrace. Well, here we are. We have our zucchini sliced, and we put extra virgin olive oil for fry. Remember, use extra virgin olive oil. This is not a dish that you can do with another kind of oil. A couple of tips. Put some salt in the olive oil and put some leaves of mint. So the taste and the flavor of the mint pass in the frying olive oil. Let's switch fire on. Now, when the oil rises to the right temperature, you have to feel it by the smell. We will put zucchini to fry.
Non c'è bisogno di bambina puncere, come da parte mamma da un sacco mette qui.
We will fry the zucchini till they start to become light brown. Well, the first cooking pan is ready, and so we cut the zucchini. Pay attention to don't drip too much the zucchini, because a little part of oil, of olive oil, has to come with them. And we start with the second cooking pan. After we put the first fried zucchini, we put just a little bit of salt, very, very few, and then the vinagre. And we put a little, very little of the vinagre. When the second cooking pan of fried zucchini will be ready, I will repeat this operation. The second cooking pan is quite ready. Now we drop some mint leaves on the zucchini, the fried zucchini. And then we pick up the second fried zucchini.
Da non c'è sta nessuno, luna rossa, chi mi sarà sincero,
Just a little of salt.
luna rossa se ne chiude là da sera senza me vedere.
2 or 3 leaves of mint. Oh, I forgot an ingredient. Here is it. Here is it. We need some garlic. You see? Very, very little slice of garlic. Not too much, or the taste became stronger. Okay. And a little bit of vinegar. And so on, to complete, to fill the bowl, add layers of zucchini with some mint, vinegar, just a little of salt, and some little slide of garlic, fresh garlic. The last leaves of mint, another little bit of garlic. So, and now the last spray of Take the dish. Now we wait 5 minutes. We will put it in the refrigerator, and we will wait. You will wait for a couple of days to eat them. You will feel a wonderful Italian fresh smell. From Riccardo, bye to the next.